FSK, Foxtrot Sierra Kilo, and WU3D. Anybody else? Okay, I got a Mike Juliet. There were about 3 of you tripling that time. Who else is in there? Got a Mike Juliet, Foxtrot Hotel Kilo. Let's run those 6, and then we'll come back for more. Give me a full call on the Alfa Romeo Foxtrot, please.